Hello and welcome to Beyond Plug and Play. Let's get started. Let's go beyond the term plug and play. In the world of IT, this term describes something that just works the moment you plug it in. No setup needed. In lighting, it's a similar idea. A plug and play LED bulb is designed to fit right into an existing socket. No rewiring, no fuss. Think screw-in LED lamps or pin-based TLEDs. Simple swaps. But let's take a closer look at one product in particular that's marketed as plug and play. Meet the corn bulb. If you've seen one, you'll know it looks kind of like an ear of corn, which is how it got its name. Corn bulbs are promoted as a quick solution for replacing HID or fluorescent lamps. The claims? No electrician needed, instant on, lower energy costs, no mercury. Sounds great, right? But the reality is more complicated. Hidden drawbacks. Despite the promise of convenience, corn bulbs come with some serious downsides. Let's start with optics. The light distribution is poor, leading to wasted light and high glare. That means the bulb might look bright, but it's not necessarily lighting the area effectively. In fact, the glare can actually reduce how well people see. The weight is another issue. These bulbs can be heavy enough to crack or damage sockets over time. And the heat they generate, that can lead to early dimming or failure. If you install them in ballast compatible mode, you also sacrifice efficiency. And if the ballast fails, guess what? You're doing more maintenance than you signed up for. Why so little usable light? Let's break down the performance. In vertical fixtures, only about 22% of the light actually shines forward, toward where you need it. In horizontal fixtures, even more of the light ends up reflecting back into the bulb. So while the bulb might appear bright to the eye, the ground or workspace often ends up dim. Industry critique snapshot. Industry feedback on these bulbs reflects those issues. Sure, they might look bright when you stare at them, but that brightness doesn't translate into usable visibility, especially for pedestrians or drivers. The glare can be a safety issue, not a benefit. And physically, many corn bulbs weigh over a pound, while most sockets are only rated for about a pound max. Add to that basic two-line surge protection, and you've got a recipe for a short product lifespan. Talking to customers. So how do we talk about this with customers? Most advertising for these bulbs leaves out important information like beam angle or IES files. So customers are going in blind. They won't really know how the space will look until after install, and by then it might be too late. Overheating can cause the bulb to dim automatically, and if you're using a 2 or 3 pound bulb, it might even damage the fixture. Better alternatives. The good news is there are better options out there. Retrofitting with LED boards that are purpose-built for the fixture can give you better light, better efficiency, and better safety. Driver onboard fixtures are another great option. Or for the best long-term value, replacing the full luminaire with a DLC listed product ensures performance, efficiency, and reliability. Thanks so much for listening. I hope this gave you a new perspective on what's really behind plug and play and how to guide your customers towards smarter, safer solutions.